Hi ma'am, good afternoon. I am Angela A. Basil and the book that I assigned to me is yung Dead Silence by S.A. Barnett. So this this book is more on science fiction. So it's kind of boring for me. It's not my preferred genre kasi I'm not a fan of science fiction. So at this moment, nasa page 40 pa lang ako out of 300 plus na page. But I swear, I promise to myself, I will finish it. So in first page, there are two investigators, sina Max and Reed. They keep on asking Kovalik on what really happened. So the characters of this story is sina Claire Kovalik, Missus, Lourdes, Voller, and King. So Claire Kovalik is the leader of the Beacon Repair Crew. So si Nisus dito is yung nonchalant ng grupo and more on nag-focus talaga siya dun sa trabaho niya. And si Lourdes, yung pinakabata sa kanila, yung inosente. And then si Voller naman is yung parang palaging nagkakontra sa idea ni Claire. Ganun. Their last assignment is to find or to respond to a mysterious signal, no? So, during their journey, during their mission, um, they found a abandoned ship. So, this ship is matagal-tagal na rin nawala, matagal-tagal na rin hinahanap, pero di talaga nakikita. So, this ship is named Aurora. So, I think yun yung parang plot ng story, no? And hindi pa kasi ako tapos, dun pa lang ako banda. And tatapusin ko na talaga. That's it, ma'am. Thank you.